Good morning, everyone. I am Jannat Abdul Rahim from Technical Lakhani Institute, and today we are moving on to the second topic, and that topic is the history of Windows. So, you go on your Google search bar and search Windows 1 to 10 and click on the first link you see. So, Windows have evolved like a lot, like from years to years and years. This article is like more than 8 years old, as it says over here. And yes, so Microsoft like Windows operating system was first introduced in 1985, and over 92 and over 29 years later, it has changed a lot. Look, so this is the Windows 1. It looks very different, looks very complicated. There's like one game, there's this control, there's this paragraph, Windows version. It says copyright 1985, Microsoft Corp. See, and there's the clock. It looks very complicated. And then over 2 years later, they launched Windows 2, which was still complicated but a little bit new, so people enjoyed it. But so they came up with like new Windows 2, 3, 4 to like from 2 years later, 4 years later, and Windows 2 was created in December 1987. And then here's Windows 3. There's still the game that was in Windows 1. There's a paintbrush, and as you can see, the application software is here, like the calendar, paintbrush, there's the game, there's the clock. It looks a little more organized now. It was launched in 1990. And then moving on to Windows 3.1. They didn't change that much of it. They just like improved the clock settings and it looks much more managed now. Now they have the concept of application software. See, there's like many applications here, control panel, and well, Windows is a, a system software. So there. And then Windows 95. It had the oh hello start menu like we have in normal Windows. Like in the Mac OS, they don't have Windows, they just have a bunch of applications here, application softwares. And then Windows 98. It was released in 1998, that's why they named it 98 because it was released in the last number 98. So it much looks the same, but it's like more organized. They again had the concept of application software, and on it goes. The Windows Me, it had the startup menu like this, more applications, and they even had the changing background options, which we do have now. And then the Windows 2000, it had these error messages, Windows XP. As you see, this is slowly turning into like the normal Windows we have. Like this is the Windows XP. It was released in October 2001. And then on we go, and we will see more like Windows Vista. See, it looks much more developed. The Windows XP stayed for 6 years, and then after 6 years, they developed this Windows Vista. And then we have the Windows 7, which I think many people still use. So many people who use this might be very much familiar with that. It was released in October 2009. And if we go more, you can see the revolution of Windows. Like here's the Windows 8. It had the starter menu, like much organized now. And then the Windows 8.1, the Windows 10, and on it goes. There might be more in the future, like Windows 11, 12, who knows. So yeah, this Windows, this system software is slowly developing little by little from 2 years to 3 years to 4 years and going on. So I'll see you next time. Comment down below if you have any query, and yes, if you stay with us on the scores and finish the scores, we have exciting surprises, and I'll see you next time. Bye.